Alright, welcome back to part 2 of the video. So today I'm going to be finishing off all the tints. So as you guys can see, everything is done except for the left tail light. You guys can see it's a bit darker here. Hold on, let me focus. So you guys can see it's like a lot darker in this light, which is what I was going for, but like not too dark where like to the point where it's black. So yeah, this is how it's going to look like when it's all done. Alright guys, so before you start, just give it a quick wash. Like you guys can see there's dirt on there. So do that, and then basically this part is like pretty like straightforward. It's lay it flat and squeeze all the air out. This part is gonna require some more attention, so alright guys, so I just finished doing like 90% of the work. You guys can see it's like flawless pretty much. There's no air bubbles in there. Oh, except for this thing. This is not an air bubble. Let me focus here. So this is not an air bubble. Like if you guys go outside and look at your car right now, you'll see like it's part of the headlight. So all I have to do now is well, you guys can see how he took like most I could with the headlight on the car. Here. So now I'm gonna go show you guys how to take it off, and then you can tuck the material around the edge. Also, if you guys are worried about the darkness right now, as it cures, the material like as it cures, it's gonna get darker. So you guys can see how it looks right now. But this one's been on for like 2 months maybe, so you guys can see that's a lot darker than this one, right? So yeah, don't worry too much about that. Guys, so now that I finished wrapping the corners, tucked it in, I'm gonna cut, and then we're gonna post heat, and then you guys are gonna see that there are some minor scratches on the vinyl, but don't worry about it, because when you post heat and when it sits out in the sun, all of this will go away and it'll also get darker like I showed you earlier on. So alright guys, so this one is done. As you guys can see, a little before and after. Can't really tell right now, but if you move over here, for something that's settled in for like 2 months, you can tell it's a lot darker compared to that. But yeah, now moving on to the hardest part, which is this one. Like the only reason it's hard is because there's no flat area on this. Like you guys can see, like this is like almost a 90-degree curve. So it'll take some time to do it, but like you can get it done if you have the patience for it. We'll start over here, work our way over here, and then we'll get to this crazy part over here, and then just take this off and then tuck the corner in. Alright guys, so just a tip for you, when you guys are positioning your film, make sure you leave more space on the top, because like there's a bigger curve on the top than there is on the bottom. So yeah, take your squeegee and like squeegee all the air out so this like stays in place over here. And then, oh shit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, and then try to stretch this over the whole like tail light. Use some heat. Then once it's off, just take it and stretch it over the tail light. Like so, and then just work the air out. Start from here and then work the air out. Alright guys, so yeah, this is what it looks like when you're done the crazy curve over here. Let me just focus. Yep, so all nice and done. So basically now you guys can see like it's a straight line, right? So all you really gotta do is take this, pull back, heat it up, and then stretch it over. And then all you have to do is just squeegee all the air out, and then we'll do the top over here. You guys can see there's like another inch to like apply the vinyl to. So yeah. Alright guys, so like I was saying before, lift this back and just heat it up, and then stretch it over the rest of the taillight. Now that you guys have done the whole taillight, now you're ready to do the top part, and then you can take it off. So basically this one, you can apply some heat to it if you want, but it's better to just like work with it like as much as possible with no heat. But yeah, if you have to, then you have to. Another tip would be when you guys are working the middle, don't just do the whole middle and then start doing the outside. So let's say you do like half an inch of the middle over here, do half an inch over here, half an inch over here, and then you go back to the middle. So this way like it'll be as even as possible and you won't see as many glue lines. Alright guys, so as you can see we're almost done here. Everything's like in place right now, so all we need to do is just pop the headlight out, and then we'll tuck everything around the edge, and then yeah, it should be good. And now all you have to do is pull the taillight out, but since I'm too pussy to do that, so I'm gonna get my dad to come help me. Actually, let me give it a try first. Oh, never mind, I got it. But anyways, basically once you guys have that, so now you guys have like all this space to work with, like tucking the vinyl and stuff. But before you do that, I would suggest washing your hands first, because this is what's gonna happen. So I'll be back. So now all we have to do is be very careful with it, but all we have to do is just tuck everything in, make sure everything, do the corners first, and we should be good. Alright guys, so I just finished cutting all the excess, and I already posted it off camera because my camera actually died, but I waited for the camera to actually turn back on to install it. So let's do that now, and then I'll give you guys some quick cinematics after. Okay, so just before ending the video, you guys can like kind of see that this one is like a bit lighter, right, than this one. But for it to get as dark as this one, you just have to like let it cure in the sun, and yeah, it'll do its job by itself. Just don't worry about it, just let it be, and yeah, it'll be like that in no time. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys have any more suggestions on what to do for the car, leave a comment down below. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. And yeah, hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.